Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my cool signature hairstyle look when I go out to any cool shows or any fun places. Feel free to watch the process of how I make this look awesome. So I start with my hair already braided from the night of, and then I unravel the braids to get that cool wavy look appeal. This is literally a process that doesn't take too long. This average takes me like 7 minutes, but I'm gonna speed it up for you just to spare some time. If you can notice, I'm also spreading my hair pieces apart to give it more of a thicker look, because I don't know why, but it gets kind of stuck together after it's braided so long. But when you unravel each piece, it makes it more full and more volumized. Then I get the hairspray and my heat protecting serum liquid stuff that I put over my head. So, because I'm going to be straightening my hair, the front end, because it's like a poofy mess and frizzy. Forgive me, while watching this video, I realized that I make such weird faces while I'm doing my hair. I pretty much just straighten all the top layer parts of my hair just so that it looks pretty meshed well with the rest of my hair. Then I use my headband to put over on top of my bangs so that way I have better control over my bangs. Then I continue to pull apart my hair pieces again to apply that fuller look and brush up my hair to get that ponytail vibe on top. I personally like to have full hair look styles because I'm a tiny girl, and when I go to any place, either business related or concert related, I like to stand out and look unique in a special way, but not too intimidating. I also use the comb to help tease the hair a little bit and comb it out a bit. And then last but not least, I use the hairspray to add that stay full on look. And that stuff is so strong on my face, but it works. It gets the job done. And I tease my hair a little bit more, and that pretty much completes the hairstyle look.